Hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. Gonna take up the FMS Ranger 1.8 meter.
Motor is armed. Be careful.
Just gonna have a little bit of fun with her. Put takeoff flaps in. Running a 4000 HRB.
Flaps up.
Didn't even need any elevator input. See if I can get her to hover. Got more than enough power to hover.
Time remaining 5 minutes.
Knife edge machine right there. Love the lights. Love the lights. Which I need them right now. It's starting to get dark. It's almost 8 o'clock at night. Peel away the knife edge there. Upward climbing knife edge. Just a great, solid flying Cessna. All right, let's see if we can't do it like a wheelie touch and go. Well, maybe not.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
There's like not a breath of wind at all.
Landing flaps.
Not a breath of wind. Run around with flaps down a little bit. Let's play a slow right down for you.
Takeoff flaps. Flaps up.
Those skirts on the legs, on the wheels, the wheel pants, they vibrate when you fly. I think you think your prop's out of balance, but no, that's those wheels. When the wind hits those skirts, make them struts earn their pay.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
A little bit of a snap roll there.
Landing flaps.
All right.
Up.
Let's put her in safe mode.
Stabilized mode.
Well, if for the reflex system, this is their stabilized or beginner mode. We're going to take off in the beginner mode. Just a little bit up pressure. Trying to turn her as tight as I can. She will not let me turn very tight. Okay. A little bit of downward elevator just to get her to descend for me.
Landing flaps.
Put my landing flaps in. Yeah, she's Cannot turn the plane over. It is keeping that plane as level as possible, which is what a beginner would want. Out of the power completely now. Just a slight flare right to let the mains settle in, and kind of wheeling, let that nose settle down. All right. Take her back up, obviously out of the
optimized mode.
Out of safe now.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Or optimized. Just a great flying plane. I'm gonna maybe hot glue them skirts down a little bit to where they don't vibrate so much. All right, land this time.
Landing flaps.
And call it quits for this flight. I want to get one more flight in on another plane and then have to go head home.
Flaps up.
But of course I gotta take it up one more time. Beautiful plane. Beautiful plane. Out of the power, level, line up with my runway. All right. Love it. Love flying this plane. I'm trying to figure out what are like my top 5 favorite prop planes of 24, and you know, I'm thinking this is going to definitely make the group. Well, folks, there you go. That is the 1.8 meter. I had 51 seconds left on I think a 5-minute timer. Yeah, or 5.5-minute timer. So flew for just under 5 minutes. Yeah, them skirts. I feel them skirts. Yeah, they move so easily. They're better than they were on the first edition, though. 52%. So that's a good storage rate. I like to be a little bit lower than that, but I'll take that. Something's in O. And there you go, folks. That is the FMS 1.8 meter Ranger. FMS invited me to be a part of their affiliate program, and so if you were interested in this plane, there'll be an affiliate link in the description of the video. Won't cost you can buy the plane. It won't cost you anything more, but I will get a little commission, just letting you know. But the plane will still be the same price for you, and I really appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all. God is good. And don't forget, folks, faith, family, and friends. And then Rangers. Big, stable Rangers. Bye-bye.